For the repair today, we have this large TV, is a Sharp LC-80LE632U, is a LED TV. The customer said the TV turns on for a couple minutes, then goes off. The pictures show fine when the TV is on. And for the customer to turn it on, he needs to unplug the TV from the power and plug it back. Again, for a couple minutes, stay on, then goes off. Yeah, we have the picture. You see it over there. Yeah, the TV is still on. I'm waiting for it to go off. Yep, the TV goes off. You can see no backlight. I did hear the relay clicks off. And yeah, so that's the problem. Yeah, we checked the capacitors. They all looks good. There is no burn mark or any damage on the board. For that reason, could be something is getting hot, then the TV goes off. This is the transformers for the, I think one of them for the backlight, one of them for the high voltages. That should be like 13 volt. So must be one of them for the 13 volt, one of them for the backlight, and this is the standby transformer. These two transformers, I think powered by the MOSFETs here. This transformer is powered by this power IC here. This IC, it has switching IC and the MOSFET inside it. I'm going to check it with the thermal camera to see if anything getting hot, then we go from there. Yeah, already we see a spot right here. Well, let's plug the TV to the power. You can see my hand over there. And what's there? Yeah, that's the power IC. Yeah, the power IC is hot. Yep, you can see the power IC is clearly as hot over there. Alright, that was a quick finding. The thermal camera, it said this IC is getting hot. It's still warm at the moment. And that's the power manager IC. There is a temperature sensor inside the IC. When it reach a high temperature, it's gonna power off to save the board from, you know, causing more burning and shorting and all that. So likely that's what happened. Is going to be the standby voltages is cut off and the TV cut off. Okay, let's see what that IC is. Is a TNY274PN. Yeah, I know this board because I fixed some of the Sharp long time ago. Yeah, this board is kind of expensive for this TV. Even the main board is a little bit expensive. So let's take this board and we'll look for the power IC. Alright, yeah, this is my where I got my component from. ICs, components, and all the stuff. Alright, we have an IC over there, but this one setup is different. The one that we have, the 2 pins over there, is next to the first pin, the dot. So that's what we need. So I'm gonna keep checking till I find one. No, that one is different. Should be the 2 pin, the other sides. That's a Samsung, but this one it has 8 pins, not 7 pins. No, this one is the same setup as the other ones. This one doesn't have anything. Nope. Alright, that's a Samsung, but that's a 8 pins. Alright, let me look for it because I have to go through all these boards. Then we'll go from there. Yeah, I find the board. It's right here. And you can see the 2 pins is next to that dot, the first pin. Plus the model number of the IC is, the part number is the same as the other one. How the pins is in the IC doesn't mean all the time is a compatible. So if you look at the pins, you still need to check the back of them. You can see all these 4 pins is connecting together to the negative side of the big capacitor. So must be that's the source. This is the source. The pin by itself, this pin right here, yeah, that pin by itself over there, that pin is connected to the transformer. It's mean that's the drain. So that's the source, that's the drain, and the other 2 pins it should be for the feedback coming from the optocoupler and the sense. So let's look at this one. We have 4 pins over there connected. Let me see. Okay, I see this pin is connected by this jumper and connected to the transformer. Must be that's 1 pin, the drain. That's 2 pins is connected to the optocoupler. And this one we need to be sure is connected to the negative side of the capacitor. It's mean the source. So the big capacitors are here. And so must be that's the negative side. It's not connected. No, the negative side is right here. That's the positive side of the capacitor. Yep. So the negative side is connected to these 4 pins. This is connected to the transformer. As you see, these ones must be connected. Okay, this one is connected to this optocoupler, and the other one is just the sense. So the top one is connected to the optocoupler. That's the feedback. Alright, it's connected. Yeah, it's connected to the optocoupler, this one as well. So this, where is it? I lost it. Okay, this pin right here is connected to the optocoupler. So the IC is the same. And let's remove it and uninstall it. And hopefully this IC is good, because if that IC is bad, it's gonna burn the fuse. Oh, that's the good IC. So this IC is not completely bad, but it just is getting bad. It's reaching the point to be bad. Alright, this is the IC, and we'll install the new one. Can solder it. Alright, let's wait for it to cool down a little bit. Then we go test it in the TV. At the same time, we can check if there is any short. Nope, no short. Alright, let's plug the TV to the power. This is the first test. The IC, it may blow if there is anything bad in it. Alright. I don't see the standby light. Oh yeah. This one is not connected, of course. No standby light. Okay, we have the standby light. Just like the IC may explode. I did see the backlight from that little hole over there. So definitely we're gonna have some picture. Yeah, that's the picture, static. And the IC is not hot. Yeah, the IC is not hot. Let's use the thermal camera. So the camera is on now. Let me get the phone ready, and yeah, we get the phone ready and we plug it. We let the camera open the app by itself. Yeah, now it is working. And let's see. You can see all that's normal. You see some light spots, but let me increase. Yeah, before. So before, at the moment, it should be like 70 degrees or more. But you can see the hottest spot is a 44 degrees. You see the 44 degrees, but that's not our IC. And that's the hottest spot. Okay, the IC is 43 degrees. 42, 43. The TV is still on. Usually it doesn't stay on this long. It's go off by now. Yep, it's still on. Then, yeah, that's what is wrong with it. is the power IC. Yep, it's a 43, 42 degree. That's very normal. Yeah, you can see some of the these capacitors. The cylinder, some of these capacitors, they are getting hot. That's why some of the power board, they have a bad Dutch capacitors. The TV is still on. Yeah, we saved this large TV, and this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.